up, guys? Welcome to Pete's Garage. Today, we'll work on this beautiful hunk of junk. This is what we call an engine.
It's 0.5.
All right, so this engine.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I think we should start doing.
You're ruining the video! So, what we figured out is that this has to be in the upright position, not down.
Stop. The lay down sensor is for if the bike gets in a crash, lays over, it will turn off the engine. So if you noticed in the previous videos, we had all the wiring just laying around, you know, not in any fixed position. But now, since it's up, it tells the ECU that it wants to start. We're gonna let it warm up. About to head on over to our friend's shop. We got a few more things to load up and then we'll be on the road. Just loaded everything up, getting ready to go over to our friend's shop to do some designing on the frame and see where everything fits. All right, so we just got all the parts unloaded here. And now we're trying to figure out an idea of what we want to do.
All right, so we're here in Austin's dad's friend's shop. Got a bunch of stuff, so we're working out how we're gonna mount the engine. We gotta do a lot of upgrades because this thing's crazy. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna extend the frame a little bit, get this mounted. We're looking at some new front suspension, brake stuff. So we're honestly just gonna start stripping this frame down. Take out the floor. We gotta redo this. This thing's a piece of junk. And then we got a bunch of new parts, so we're gonna do some unboxing right now. Today's video sponsor is Venom Energy. Get it now at your local dollar store. Tastes exactly like Monster, but for cheaper.
What are your thoughts?
We like how it was mounted. It's got some nice mounting points, so we're thinking we're just gonna pretty much keep all this and then cut all this off.
Yeah.
So we have all these nice mounting points and then figure it out from there.
We got some metal from Home Depot. We're gonna extend the back of the frame so that we can fit the engine in there. And that Ian worked all week on extending it, getting it all measured, and
we took off a bunch of the panels, so we're gonna do our best to make this frame work. Jake, what do you have to say?
I don't know.
You're ruining the video.
all right, so we're about to take apart this engine, and we're gonna try and fit it in the back end of the go-kart frame. just got the front mounts
Tacked in.
tacked in for now. We're gonna take the engine out, finish the welds. Ian did a great job.
Aw, thank you.
Ian did a great job on the tacking, and he's gonna do an even better job on the full weld. And going well so far. What do you think?
It's going great. It's going good.
Good. So basically, we're idiots. We made this mount, did not measure for our exhaust, and we were planning
That's so embarrassing, dude.
What?
Delete that. Oh my god.
Shut up.
Oh my god.
All right. So we were planning on taking the exhaust and running it up and doing like a high exhaust because that would be cool.
Okay, no, we are gonna do that.
Oh, we are gonna do
Unless we could do the dual exhaust, because I think it'd be so much
that would be sweet, but it's gonna be difficult. So next thing we got is the steering. Ian created a steel plate that is going to be welded
to like right here, so we can mount it by these screws. We need some longer screws though.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Ace Hardware.
Yeah, and get some screws, and then we can mount it there. We want it mounted up higher so that we have more room for our pedals and stuff.
Yeah. Taking out the floor panels definitely helped us kind of see what we're working with here, and we're gonna add a bunch of support bars, and yeah. So let's get to it.
Yeah. What's up, guys? We're back. Here we are. We have the go-kart. We have our engine mounted. Steering. It's coming along. Come on. Let's look at the engine. So, hey, where are you guys going? Come on. So what we did, we welded this bar down here, all right? After we extended the frame, of course. We welded this bar. We got some mounts down here. Wait. All right, now come back up here. We got some mounts up here, all right? So what we need to figure out is our exhaust, all right? So we're having issues. We're thinking of a dual exhaust, but that won't work with our O2 sensor. So we got to figure something out, whether we're going to bend the exhaust or get two O2 sensors. So we'll find out.
We just got everything hooked back up, and we're about to start it.
Dude, that hurts so bad.
All right, here we go. right, so that's a wrap. No, I always start with alright, so. Alright, so this is the end. I said alright.
Okay to say alright, so.
No, it is okay.
It's okay.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we're coming out with more upgrades.
Oh, we're coming.
I might leave that in. Hey, whoa. Let's get a shot.
There you go.
Let's get a shot of us walking out. Like, and
That
then we
is
close
so
the
cheesy.
garage.
I'm
No,
leaving.
no.
Later, guys. I'm out.
Later, guys. I'm out. Bye, Oscar.
All right.
Bye, Curtis. Bye-bye.
All right. See you guys.